Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll discuss an important concept introduced in Microsoft Power Platform that is called as Connect to GIT. GIT is a well-known source control, as you know, right? And that is GIT Hub, right? So, if you want to store your solution components from your environment, any solutions from your environment connected architecture or connected to GIT Hub, how you can configure that. That we'll discuss, right? So let us go to DevOps and create a new organization for storing or storing data, right? So I'll just continue and give a new name here. Let's say I want to give Power Platform GIT demo, and I'll just give some authentication here and click continue. Once I'll click continue, it will create an organization with the name Power Platform Solution Demo, GIT Demo, where all the solutions will be kept and you can manage resolution conflicts and do commits and check-ins, all that from within the solutions in Power Apps. So let's see how it is connected. Once the step one is creating an organization in your DevOps, then creating a project. Let us create a project. Let's say I want to create a project dev environment underscore subchief. Okay. Now in this will be the project where all solution will be available. So I will just make it private and create project. And my folder name is ppgit demo, right? So under this I want to keep my solutions and manage it, right? Now here I want to go to repos and initialize the repository. If I'll go down and click on here, click on initialize, this is how it will initialize your repository where all your solution will be kept under this folder. Okay, now once it is done, this DevOps work is done, creating organization. Then we'll go to the solution and click on connect GIT. You can also directly go to a single solution and connect GIT from here. This is solution wise source control. But if you want to keep all solutions from an environment all together in a GIT location, you can just click on go to solutions area, click on connect GIT and choose whether you want to store all your solutions from your current environment to GIT or just a single solution. Then you can choose your solution and you can proceed. Okay, now I want to use all solutions to store in that. Okay, so connect all solutions to the environment to the same repository and branch. In the meantime, let us create some branch. I'll go to here. Right now you see there is a main branch. I want to create a new branch called as dev, and based on main branch it will create one more branch and click on create. And I want to create one more called as UAT, and next is I want to create production. So main I will use as production. Okay. Otherwise, you can create one more called as prod. Okay. Now three branches I have created here: production, UAT, and development. Okay. Now I'll go here in the solutions and choose which organization. I have this organization connected. Which project? I'll choose the project here. This is the project I have created, dev environment underscore subchief. And which repository? This is the repository that has been initialized in the DevOps. And which branch you want to connect? First, I want to connect dev branch because I am in development environment, and any changes I do in the development environment will be connected to the dev branch. If you want to create new branch, you can create it from within this solution so that it will be synchronized to your GIT or DevOps. And you can create a dev folder. Let's say dev uh, changes or dev environment. This will create the dev environment folder where all your solutions components will be available. Okay, now let us see how it is creating. I have now this solution HSBC digital automation. Now the environment is successfully connected If you click on the view source control, it will automatically redirect to your folder inside that repository, and all your solution will be created, right? So if I'll go here and click this solution, here also if I'll go to the git, you, you can click on enable this solution for git control. Now it is automatically enabled. If you click on refresh, no need to enable it, it is automatically refreshed and connected to the source control. Right now if you go here and refresh this in the DevOps, right now it is not available. But if you want to push it, because it is now enabled, now you want to commit. What are the commit in this? What are the changes? This is the solution object and this is the publisher object. This is only added inside this entity, inside the solution. So you can commit here directly from within the solution. Initial solution HSBC. Now you can click on commit. Once you click on commit, it will be committed to your DevOps repository. Okay. If there is any conflict also, you can manage the conflict or resolve the conflict here from within the solution area.